How can you pick out the different types of white blood cells when looking through a microscope? They each have some visual clues that will help you identify them. Neutrophils are medium in size and is a granulocyte. They have small granules present in the background. These granules are very fine and may be difficult to distinguish. The most noticeable characteristic is the multi-lobed nucleus, which typically has anywhere from 2 to 5 lobes. Eosinophils are medium in size and also a granulocyte. The granules in an eosinophil are large and bright pink or red when stained. These granules are often so numerous and dense that they can obscure the nucleus. Basophils are medium in size and, like eosinophils, are a granulocyte. They contain large granules that stain purple. Basophils may also have a bi-lobed or irregularly shaped nucleus, which can sometimes be obscured by the granules. Monocytes are the largest type of white blood cell, making them the largest of the leukocytes. They are an agranulocyte with a kidney-shaped or horseshoe-shaped nucleus. Lymphocytes are small to medium-sized cells. They are an agranulocyte with a smooth background, no visible granules. The nucleus is very round and large, often occupying much of the cell. If you know some distinguishing characteristics between the 5 main types of white blood cells, looking for them underneath a microscope is a breeze.